You need to outgrow your competition. What I mean is putting stuff out there, and I've covered this many times before with social media, YouTube videos, TikToks, and whatever you're doing. But you need to outgrow. You need to get stuff out there. And I don't just mean little 1 minute, 2 minute videos. I mean maybe doing social media posts, which aren't just videos and images, where you actually share some details and insights, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Now, there is always like a downside, and you're going to hear a lot of negativity sometimes about outgrowing your competition, because people tend to say that you should do quality over quantity. Because if you try to outgrow your competition, say you're up against other web designers or people that sell hats and bags, or maybe they sell motorcycles, they may be putting out content. They may do one a day, one a week, and you may want to do more because you want to be in people's timeline, right? You want to be there on social media, and hopefully when they log in, because you don't know when people are going to be out and about, you're hoping that people are going to see it. Well, they may not do it so regularly. So if you can put out more, there's a higher chance that people are going to see you. Let's say someone or another company puts out a post or a video once a week or once a month. It's probably going to be really well thought out. They've probably spent a ton more time on editing or thinking about the content, the messaging, the style, and everything about that. Well, that's all good and well, but you can still be better than that, even when you start putting out content daily or weekly or more than what they do. This is what I mean by outgrowing the competition. They might do a really polished video, social media post, one a week. So for that week, that is their promo, and they might release it once per week, or they might release it every day, but it's the same goddamn promo. You know, in the old days when you'd open a magazine, when we used to buy magazines from the newsagent, you saw the same advert pop up in different magazines. And sometimes it was the same advert for maybe 3 or 4 issues. And you kind of were like, oh God, when are they going to change it? Do you remember those days? Or when you see TV adverts, it's the same advert, promos on YouTube or wherever you go and get your content. After a while, it gets really boring. I was catching up with the Fargo TV series on Amazon Prime, all of the series, and every single series, right? Every episode started, it was the same blinking advert, okay? And it got very repetitive. I'm telling you to outgrow by putting out more content. You want to make it polished. You want to make it good. You want to make sure your messaging is clear, and hopefully it leads off to some content or where they can go and purchase something. Not always. Sometimes it's good to share non-sales social media as well. But if you're doing that like daily, and the competition are doing one a week or one a month, even if yours is not as polished, people are going to see and learn something different about you. This is not just for web designers. This is for the businesses that you cater for as well. You're going to have clients that are not number one on Google, and they're going, oh, I want to be number one. And you're going to tell them to do marketing, and they may go and hire someone, and then they do a really polished, like, you know, social media campaign, like one a month. Like the same thing every day is not a good look. The same actually goes with web designers, right? With our own websites. You built a website, you got your portfolio on. When did you go back to refresh the way that looked? With the websites you built, with the content, with your services, your messaging. Outgrow your competition means putting stuff out there, not just for you, it's for your business and your clients. Don't always think that I've got to have the most polished quality video and social media post. It's okay to be a little bit raw, because the more you get out there, the more people are going to see, recognize, and know who you are. I'm Imran Web Squadron. I'll see you soon.